India Today has accessed 3 exclusive visuals of Rahul Rajput, the Delhi boy who died after being beaten up brutally by his girlfriend's family members. In fact, the first video that you see here, the girl is spotted walking, looking back. Shortly after that, Rahul is seen following the girl. Very clearly establishes that the girl and the boy knew each other, as opposed to the claims made by the girl's family that they weren't in a relationship. This is the second video here where Rahul, the victim who eventually succumbed to the injuries, he's seen with the girl walking alongside each other. They're in fact even holding hands. A group of boys were spotted then walking right behind the two. These visuals put into question the girl's family's claims that the two were not in a relationship. CCTV footage that has been exclusively accessed by India Today shows very clearly that the boy and the girl knew each other, as opposed to the girl's family, who says that the girl and the boy were not in a relationship. But clearly here in the CCTV footage exclusively accessed by India Today shows that the girl and the boy very well knew each other. They were even seen holding hands in one of the CCTV footage. In fact, in another CCTV footage, Rahul is also seen returning alone. This boy here, Rahul, eventually died after the girl's family members beat him up brutally, eventually him succumbing to the injuries. The 5 of them have been accused, 3 of them juveniles. Milan Sharma joining us for more details on that. Milan, take us through the CCTV footage that India Today has exclusively accessed here of the boy and the girl. Shows very well in the video that they knew each other, as opposed to the claims made by the family members that they were not in a relationship. But in one of the videos there, the girl and the boy were clearly holding hands. Now, why is the girl's family refuting those claims? Is this a case of honor killing?
Well, you can clearly see in the CCTV footage how Rahul was being lured outside his home under the pretext of having to teach more tuition classes. Rahul was a very bright boy, and he used to take tuitions for classes 11th and 12th. He used to teach students around the area. Let me tell you, he was also the only earning member of his family. At this age, he has a younger sister. And that's why, at the pretext of getting more work, he was lured out of the house. It was the girl who had called him, and she was told that the brothers and the friends of the girl who assaulted him had lured him out to another area just about 100 to 500 meters from this particular house. There, the assault took place. Now, very importantly, the FIR that was registered on the statement of the girl. She has named these people, 3 juveniles and 2 of her relatives only, who had perpetrated the assault on Rahul, and which is why she has now been sent to a Nari Niketan center for her own safety. Of course, the girl's family says that the girl did not know the boy. However, it's clear from that CCTV footage as well that both were known to each other, and it was on her trust that he was, taken out of the house. And the girl alleges that it was a false pretext. Even she did not know ultimately what would ensue with the boy. But certainly the events have been horrific enough that he succumbed to his injuries. And the way he was assaulted, there were no
members. Are they family members of the girl? Those people, the accused now who have been arrested, are all of them family members, or are they friends of the girl, a girl's family?
Well, the boys are brothers of the girl. They are related to the girl in that sense, and they were also friends of those boys whose names are there in the FIR, 3 of them being juvenile, one being named Mohammad Raj, and the other one is Hussain. So these 5 have been arrested by the Delhi police in this particular case, because after the boy succumbed to the injuries, he died. His post-mortem also revealed that because he was injured, internal bleeding in the spleen led to his death. So he was assaulted, he was beaten brutally at that point, and when he came back home also, he kept feeling unwell, and that's why he was taken to the hospital. But that CCTV footage and the statement of the girl clearly established the fact that the girl knew the boy, and she was also roped in under false pretext by her own family members.
Thank you very much. Here, of course, we're looking at the case now that the CCTV footage is out. It clearly establishes that the girl and the boy knew each other, as opposed to the girl's family. Now, Rahul Rajput, who is the Delhi University student, was beaten up to death by his girlfriend's family members who objected to their relationship. In fact, the 18-year-old was physically assaulted by the girl's family on Wednesday. He succumbed to his injuries at BJRM Hospital in Jahangirpur on Thursday. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia also met the victim's family and announced rupees 10 lakh as compensation and financial aid. Now, post-mortem report reveals that the rupturing of the spleen led to the death of the victim here. Victim's family has registered a case against the girl's family. They claim that the duo were in a relationship, even as the girl's family deny that the girl and the boy even knew each other. In fact, the Delhi police, however, have hinted at the love affair angle. CCTV footage that have been procured by India Today also very clearly establishes that the boy and the girl very well knew each other. The police have arrested the two accused named Manwar Hussain and Muhammad Raj. 3 juveniles have also been arrested.
राहुल के साथ उस दिन क्या वो बोल के निकला था घर से? क्या आपको पता था वो कहाँ जा रहा है? क्या आपको पता था ऐसी कोई वारदात उसके साथ हो जाएगी?
नहीं, हमें कुछ नहीं पता था। जो बस कॉल आई थी घर पर कि मैं ट्यूशन की बात करनी है, आप बाहर आ जाओ। तो बाहर ही गया था। उसको भी नहीं पता था उसके साथ क्या होने वाला था। हमें भी नहीं पता था, नाबालिग हो या बालिग हो, हमें कोई पता नहीं। पर मैं ये चाहती हूँ उनके साथ कड़े से कड़े लिया जाए, उनको सजा होनी चाहिए। अभी तो नाबालिग होकर ऐसे काम करने, बालिग होने तो क्या करेंगे वो?
निष्पक्ष जांच मैं जब मानूंगा जब वो जो 10-15 बंदे हैं वो सारे के सारे पकड़े जाने चाहिए और उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए। ये नहीं कि आज पकड़ लिया और उसको कल जाके छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। मतलब कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए उसको। पुलिस ने कार्रवाई की, जो मैंने आपको बताया ना कि सुबह से शाम हो गई कंप्लेंट लिखने के लिए भी। शाम को जाके 6 बजे कंप्लेंट लिखी गई हमारी।
इसमें पोस्टमार्टम करने पर डॉक्टर ने बताया कि स्प्लीन रप्चर होने की वजह से इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग से राहुल की मौत हुई है। इसमें तुरंत एफआईआर कर 5 मुजरिम जो इस वारदात में इन्वॉल्व थे उनकी अरेस्टिंग की जा चुकी है और मामले में आगे की कार्रवाई भी तेजी से की जा रही है।
दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल 50 से ज्यादा ट्वीट करते हैं हाथरस की घटना पर, जिस घटना का अभी तक ये नहीं पता लगा कि वो ऑनर किलिंग है, उस लड़की के बाप ने और भाई ने वो लड़की को मारा है। दिल्ली में ऐसी घटना होती है जो बिल्कुल साफ है कि क्या हुआ है, उसके ऊपर अभी तक दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री का एक भी ट्वीट नहीं हुआ।
हमारी पार्टी, हमारे नेता माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी धर्म के नाम पे, जाति के नाम पे राजनीति करने नहीं आए हैं। काम के नाम पे अरविंद केजरीवाल सरकार राजनीति करती है और काम के लिए राजनीति करती है। कोई किसी के साथ अन्याय होता है तो उसके साथ उसको न्याय दिलाने के लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल, पूरी सरकार, हमारी पूरी टीम जो है हमेशा से खड़ी रहेगी।